How to report a lost or stolen Bank of America card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can report a lost or stolen Bank of America card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So you could report using your Bank of America application. For that, open up application, make sure that you're logged in. From your home page, navigate to top right corner, tap on the menu option. On the menu page, you'll have an option as manage debit or credit card. So tap on it. So once you land on your card section, you have to select your card. After that, again search for an option as report lost or stolen. Tap on it. After that, follow the prompts to lock your card, report it as a stolen or lost card, and also you could request a replacement card as well. So you could do that. Make sure that you follow the instructions carefully. You could also go through your phone if you want to go for the emergencies, or if you want to do it more faster and quicker if there is an emergencies, so you can make a call to the Bank of America. So search for their contact number online and then call or make a call to Bank of America customer support, and now you could report your issue. Once you report your issue, your card will be immediately blocked. A replacement card will be mailed to your address, and then you can track the replacement in the application or online. So that's the way to report if you have lost your Bank of America card or if it has been stolen. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.